Hare Krishna, welcome again. We are on the site with His Grace Preet Govind Das Prabhuji. Preet Govind Prabhu is the on-site supervisor on behalf of our temple, and he's here every single day making sure that the work is progressing as per the specs. And he has some technical experience in this regard. So please, if you can just explain to us, this is the West Wing and what is going on to happen next.
Well, into the 15 to 20 minutes, we're going to pour the concrete today.
Oh, the concrete is going to be poured from this machine here, right?
Start from that right-hand side, go all the way. We're going to finish it up the concrete today. So after that, we're going to start to dig the footing from that side, and then we're going to make the big wall over that side. So we're going to finish everything into the 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, we're going to start to do the leveling for the basement. We're going to leveling the floor, and we're going to pour the concrete there also. So in the end of the December, we're going to finish it up the
Foundation.
And we're going to finish the flooring for the basement.
Okay, and that wing will also be completed, right? The east wing?
Yeah, each wing also. So that's what I'm saying. Everything is going to finish into the December.
Okay, all the foundation work.
All the foundation work is going to finish.
Okay.
And from the January first week, we're going to start to do the for the steel work.
The steel framework.
Steel framing and things.
Got it. Okay, wonderful.